the YouTube chat says, good morning, George. FYI, UHWI's address is 1 Golding Avenue, Kingston 6. UWI has the Mona Kingston 7 address. Well, Donna, there you go. But I'm on the website of the University Hospital of the West Indies, uhwi.gov.jm, and it says, thank you for visiting the University Hospital of the West Indies. By the way, the website says Tuesday, April 7, 2026, so it's current. Thank you for visiting the UHWI. We appreciate your feedback and suggestions. Contact info, the University Hospital of the West Indies, Mona, Kingston 7. And it lists 2 phone numbers, 927-1620-9 and 927-1630-9. Yeah, so this is the UHWI's website giving its address as Mona, Kingston 7. So I don't know about 1 Golding Avenue, Kingston 6. The UHWI's website says its address is Mona, Kingston 7. But be that as it may, and thank you for trying to assist, Donna, but I'm going to work with what the website. So the people on the website gives their address, so I'm going to work with that. There's no need to flog this. I've put it out there, and I've asked the question, and I am keen like everyone else. PAC, Nora, took a break for Easter, so clearly they didn't meet. Well, they met last week, didn't they? Last week was the full week. Yeah, man, they met last week. I think they met on the Tuesday because the host didn't sit. So I read, may have been our friends at the Gleaner who wrote that or the Observer who wrote that they would resume in 2 weeks. So PAC is not for at least another week. And the assumption is that they'll continue to look into these matters concerning the UHWI's tax exemption status and related matters when the PAC reconvenes. And when they do so, I'm sure I'm not the only one who will be expecting answers to this question. And I mean, perhaps we're in the season of simple explanations for things that don't appear to be so simple. Somebody will say, oh, no, it's just a mix-up, man. It's just just address them use. But yeah, why this address? Why this address is what I want to know, given what has gone before with Jacden and the tax exemption business. Anyway.
Gentleman, dear God, had paid over 10 million to customs.
Yes, yes.
Yes, help me with this now. Is he had another pay to make to university or what?
Well, that's what we're asking, because there's a $40 million bill for some items that the invoices say were delivered to the address of his company. So we want to know how it go.
Yes.
We want to know how it go.
I am telling you, if Damien Crawford come right, it's only because he called the wrong name. It's not 1-1, they're going to prison call to be good friend call, They're going 2-2. They will be going 2-2. I am telling you, and I must big up Carl again, and my good friend, my neighbor, we call our neighbor, that is Rosemary Smith, a good listener of Nationwide. As a birthday today, as I said, and is coming from our 3 lovely daughters in Alberta, and one in Edmonton, and one is in Scottsboro School Road.
Yeah.
So we just want to dig her up and ask her, to have a very good day.
All right, sir. Respect.
Everything is coming from our 3 lovely daughters, Papa Nana and Mama Nana.
All right, sir.
Big her up too,
yeah, man. Big up yourself, Mom. Big up every time.
Yes, her name is Rosemary Smith.
Big up Miss Rosie.
Neighbor.
Big up Rosie, neighbor Smith. All right? All right. Thank you very much. Earl Foster says he's hearing in Atlanta. Another Cleveland? Morning. Oh, beg your pardon.
Good morning, Judge. I have a concern here about this university and situation. Before, I asked, do you think a hospital like Kingston Public not supposed to have a MRI machine?
No, sir. The KPH are the biggest hospital in the English-speaking Caribbean.
Yes.
Yeah.
And they should have about 2 MRI machines there.
They should have, yeah, man.
And they have none.
Okay.
No, I know a person who die now just because of not getting an MRI.
Yes.
Yes. Good. How come this man here as a politician, he could able to carry so many things for his private firm or whatsoever, and it's going to university, hospital, and the government of Jamaica who's supposed to provide those things for the public hospital don't have it in there.
Well, guess what? I don't even know how to answer that. I don't, because it's a hell of a question you're asking this morning. You know? Yeah.
And again, there are several things I think that men should investigate properly, and when they find him guilty, all those things should take away from him and give him back what he paid. But strip him from those things, and the head of the university, he should be in serious problem.
Yes.
His head should be looking to roll.
Yes. Well, let's see what the lawmakers do when PAC climaxes with the completion of the questioning around this thing, and let's see what where the chips fall after that.
The next thing again, with the health card, the Sagitor, it needs to be properly set up in the hospital and also at the health center, because those money that Sagitor getting back every year, educate the people and let have machine in even the health centers where they swipe and take off those money, and those money can put to find those equipment for the hospital, for the public, the general public, but somebody not thinking, nobody not educating the people. Sometimes I go to hospital when they say health card, I have to say to some people, give them the health card, let them take off the money, because it have no use to you after the time of the company get back all of those money. What do you get?
Yeah.
But the government, you know, I can't lick under so much.
Yeah.
You understand? But the government must have a educate the people, let them know that those money can buy equipment for them.
Yeah.
You understand?
All right. Fair point. Fair point.
And as I said, I listen now to hear what's gonna happen to this money, because him should, you know, too much cover up with these politicians, you know, and then it seemed like the person who tried them in court in favor of them, as far as I see it, when it come on to court business.
Yeah. Go back to Cliff Hughes online. I'm looking at an image here that has been making the rounds on social media. Nationwide News Network owes over $1 billion and has no TCC, JP government paying them millions monthly of taxpayers' money. You know, one of the things that we are victims of is the tough business. The taxman knows to the dollar how much we owe. You know why? Because we pay taxes. Over the years, we've struggled at times to pay in full and on time, but we pay. People like us are not the problem. You know. There are thousands of companies in Jamaica that owe the tax woman. Tax woman is Favored Williams. Thousands of companies owe the tax woman. And those companies who owe the tax woman, who she can say you owe X, is because we pay. We're not the problem. The problem is the one who evade taxes, who use all kind of tricks to avoid paying what they're owed. And are them rich. Yeah? So there's no shame in having a tax bill when you pay. And them say, boy, you pay and you owe this because you pay late, you never pay full. That's what has happened over time. But nobody can accuse us of tax avoidance. And many people can't say they've never avoided taxes. Even some of our lawmakers avoid taxes, dodge, try to not pay what they're owed. So there you go. Anyway, Bobby.
you care about the morning, though. You're right. I care about stuff from this morning.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. What you say? What go on?
Listen to me now. The main thing I want to when I leave it to the last. Can't the PNP side and Gang of 5? There's nothing good about RUP right now, you know.
About RUP?
Yeah, Rise United.
Boy, yeah, pressure the PNP, man.
No, man, there must be man enough and come make the PNP stand up. Everything name integrity gone, you know.
Why?
George, every single thing that names integrity that your leaders talked about gone.
Yeah, you think so? Why you say that?
Listen, 99.9% of the statement that they come in context broke in them face.
Yes.
Is that enough?
Yes. Oh, that's what you say. Yeah.
Tell me.
No, I'm saying that's what you're saying. Yeah.
There's nothing coming straight from none of who talking. And I must be honest with you, I'm anti-stand for the Julian Roberts get talking like this.
Yes.
I still hold him as a man of integrity.
Yeah.
But you know, when the pipers blow you down, he must come out of that piper's whistle. Farmer Gang of 5, George. It's not they'll be in the wilderness as long as a while, and as a Jamaican
Yes.
who support the present party.
Yes.
I don't want to say one party goes.
Yes. Well, it's not been a good few weeks. We're on the legal front at all.
They've been coming from election coming on, and it's getting worse by the day.
Man arrested for assault and convicted for it's been a difficult
Why
time.
Mr. P can't feel good and come back home lead them?
No. I remind you though that these things are allegations though, Billboard.
Listen, allegation.
Yes.
Allegation. Almost of them for allegation.
But and there's a difficulty with allegation, you know. You just want to be accused of something, sir. Jeez, piece of reputation gone to the dogs.
More it come on back to try to clean itself, it gets quiet up again.
Yeah.
You understand me?
Yeah.
And you want to laugh after you. You know what I want to laugh after you?
Talk to me.
You're giving Desmond McKenzie more attention than anything else.
No, man. You think so?
Me not ask you.
Yeah.
As a man on the ground.
Yeah.
And you ask you for me to.
Yeah.
As a man on the ground.
Yeah.
You make the people who listen to your morning program gone.
Then how you know that's not the design? Oh. Well, no. Don't do me that. You never thought of it like that.
No, I can't.
No, man. I've just given you food for thought. It just hit you like I said, rock stone. You know, say, yeah, okay.
Let me outrage you. Let me be outraged. Cliff, after raise up here. Let me be outraged.
Yeah, man. So just cool, man. There's strategy behind everything, Billboard.
I know that. I know. I personally know that. But you know, me have to hide a little bit like, I don't know hypocrite.
I hear you, sir. But no, it's either but it's all right.
And you say, let's get. No, I believe in the professor still, but you give more attention than
Yeah. All right, sir. I believe in him, man. Believe.
George. Let's let George do it.
Yeah.
George, you're doing it.
All right, Billboard. Here we know. I'll leave you with this. It's a Friday morning.
Yeah.
We're going to do something that is beyond his capabilities. You just make sure you listen to radio 6:30 Friday morning. You hear?
Me must make sure I listen.
All right, sir. I'm not have to tell you if you listen.
If me them sleep all night, I always wake up at 6 o'clock.
Very well, sir.
Have a nice day, sir.
Yeah, man. Respect. Yeah. Kevin, we go. Oh, let's take the break. But before we go to the break, Friday morning, 6:30, nationwide this morning. We're going to do something where beyond, I'll leave Desmond born again 3 times. You remember the question? Nora is there, Kevin? Ask Nora if the Bible, if Nicodemus did ask Jesus the question about being born again. Was it Nicodemus, Nora? Yeah. Nicodemus wouldn't dare ask this question because all if Desmond born over 3-4 times, can't do what we're going to do Friday morning at 6:30. Leave it at that. Break time. Back with more after this.
My hands were steady. My eyes were clear and bright. My walk had purpose. My steps were quick and light. And I held firm
We have a special educational broadcast for Read Across Jamaica Day on May 5, 2026. In celebration of Read Across Jamaica Day, Nationwide 90 FM invites you to join us for Students Read on Nationwide 90 FM. From 10 a.m. to 1 p.m., catch Cliff Hughes online live at Dehaney Park Primary School. Then from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m., it's all about the E-Zone at Lorna Otto Preparatory School. It's reading with a twist, featuring activities like Reader's Relay, where students race to finish stories, word search challenges to find 10 hidden words, and a Radio Reader, where students shine live on air for the title Read Across Jamaica Radio Star. So don't forget to tune in to our Read Across Jamaica Day initiative. Students read on Nationwide 90 FM. On May 5, catch Cliff Hughes online live from Dehaney Park Primary School, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and E-Zone live from Lorna Otto Prep School, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Celebrate the joy of learning on Nationwide 90 FM, the new revolution in media. This broadcast is brought to you by LMH Publishing Limited.
Our phone numbers are 630-9371, 630-9372, 630-9373, and 630-9374.
My hands were steady, my eyes were clear and bright. My walk had purpose, my steps were quick and light.
Cheryl Wallace says, George, I pay you and give back change. You can't touch Uncle Desi. All right. We will see. Friday morning, 6:30. Just come through. And we're going to do something where him can do. All right. Blessings. Good afternoon.
Yes, George.
How you doing?
I'm not case again. You know, say your heart big. And your brain rate, you know. Because, George, that was the challenge that man give to your Sunday, you know. He in play. And to not sign the name of the singer. God,
Yeah.
you don't own name blessing already. You don't know the name of me.
Yes, man.
Don't test this man Mackenzie. Don't you do it.